do you know Filipinos?
Of course, yes, you have
Okay,
a lot of
now here's a question I want to pose. Why are they not saving money? Lahat
They
tumatawa.
love very nice things. They love expensive things.
Okay.
Yeah,
Everyone, most of the Filipinos you know like that.
exactly. Most of them here have
But-
been there. They have been here like for 8 years. They don't have anything, like anything at all. Like, it's like they are starting their life.
Why do Filipinos spend a lot? What's their issue?
Why do they spend a lot?
Yeah.
Maybe they don't want their home. But they're not proud of their country.
Okay.
But
Wow.
we are proud of our Africa.
Okay.
For example, me, now this is gonna be the 4th year.
Yeah.
I have like 6 acres of land.
Wow.
So I have to do very many things.
Perfect.
Wow.
So now when after that I have to go back and I open up a business.
Wow.
Those acres of land I planted there coffee. You know coffee?
Coffee, yeah.
I planted
Wow.
there like 2 acres of coffee, 3 acres of banana.
Go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Every Filipino over there, you have to subscribe to Marvin
That channel. Thank you.
Please
Subscribe. Smash the bell. Thank you. So, what's your name?
I'm called Joy
Cord, where are you from?
from Uganda.
Uganda? We've been meeting so many people from Uganda.
Sure.
Yeah.
That's so nice.
How many years are you here?
I've been here for almost 4 years.
4 years. Have you been saving money?
Of course, yes. I serve. I have a land in my country.
You have a land.
Yeah.
So we met someone also from Uganda yesterday. He's saving money also, and he has acres of land also there.
Yeah.
Why do you do that? Why do you save money?
We save money because we want to be better in our country.
Oh.
Yeah.
So how many years do you plan to stay here, then go back, and then
I
just
actually
leave?
am planning to stay here for only 1 more year.
Whoa! 10 years ka! Siya 1 more year. 1 more year. 1 more year. Really? So how do you do that? How do you do that? How do you save?
Like for in a month, if
Yeah.
I'm getting like for example 3-5,
Okay.
I save 2,000.
Whoa! You're not tempted by Dubai Mall sales?
No.
How about Dera City Center
No,
sales?
no. I don't have time for that.
Whoa!
This is my casual wear every
Okay.
day. From work
Wow, that's so
to sleep.
inspiring, huh?
From sleep to work. So why should I need clothing
Whoa.
unless I'm going for vacation?
Oh, you're very good. So why do Filipinos? Do you know Filipinos?
Of course, yes, you have a
Okay,
lot of
now here's a question I want to pose. Why are they not saving money? Lahat
They
tumatawa.
love very nice things. They love expensive things.
Okay.
Yeah,
Everyone, most of the Filipinos you know like that.
exactly. Most of them here have been there. They have been here like for 8 years. They don't have anything, like anything at all. Like, it's like they are starting their life.
So what's the problem? What do you think is the problem?
They love expensive things,
Okay.
and I don't know. I don't know.
Is this normal for Ugandans that Ugandans know how to save money and then go home quickly and then
Actually not about like liking to save money. It's because we want to be something in our country because we're not going to stay here forever, you know.
so good. So good.
Thank you.
Okay, one tip for Filipinos so that they can be like you or you like Ugandans so they can save money.
For Filipinos, I think you guys should really save because Dubai doesn't give visas, right? At the end of the day, you have to go back to your country. So you have to invest somewhere in your country. When the time comes to go back to your country, you have something. At least you have a land, you have a house to stay in. People will laugh at you. You've been in Dubai for how many years? 10 years and you have nothing? Come on. This
Come
is not
on!
our country.
Oh yeah! So you save and invest. You're very inspiring.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'm so inspired. I'm so
Thank you
inspired.
so much.
Been here already for 22 years. I'm that.
Thank you so
Alright,
much.
thank you. Bye-bye. What can we expect from Nando's? What can we have?
Nando's the famous grilled
Yes.
chicken with different flavors.
Whoa, what kind of flavor?
We have lemon and a half, mild,
Extra
hot,
hot.
extra hot, and everything.
Okay.
We have
Whoa.
side dishes like chips, wedges, rice, coleslaw, corn on the cob.
What's your advantage between Nando's versus Jollibee?
The
Jollibee,
difference,
that's
Yeah.
Jollibee, they
they
have fried
lot-
chicken,
a lot-
Nando's
a
we are
lot.
having grilled
Grilled.
chicken.
Grilled chicken.
Grilled and
Oh.
That's
fresh.
the difference.
And not
They're
and it's not and it's not
Like point right.
Okay.
Like feet.
Yeah.
I have a question before we let you go.
Okay.
How long have you been here in Dubai?
I have been here for 3 years.
3 years. How do you save money? Is it possible to save money in Dubai?
It depends to someone's
You're from
expenditure.
what country, by the way?
I'm from Uganda.
Uganda. Uganda. Uganda. You know what Uganda means in Philippines?
No?
Beautiful.
Beautiful?
Yes, you're beautiful.
Uganda?
Yeah.
That's nice.
That's
Also,
nice, yeah.
also Philippines, beautiful.
Ah. So do you know any Filipinos?
Huh?
Do you know any Filipinos?
Any Filipinos?
Yeah, you have friends Filipinos.
Yeah, they are here around.
But do they spend a lot?
They are good in eating money.
Eating money. How about Ugandans?
They choke money.
Ugandans, do they
They are
spend
not, they're not good in spending money. here.
Ugandans? Oh,
Not good in
oh,
spending
why?
money.
What's
That's
your
really good. That's
what's
good.
what's
Yeah?
your secret? What's the
secret
Uganda
they-
secret?
Because they have no issue of spending money in things they don't know here. But
That's
for Filipinos,
But Filipinos, yeah, why do Filipinos spend like crazy?
for them you have a lot of different foods you eat. So now you have to try everything. But for us, we cannot keeping on trying different foods
Yeah.
because it's not healthy to our bodies, not healthy to us. We don't know the kind of food.
So it has an advantage.
Yeah,
That
that's
you know less of
We
other food.
only know less kind of foods.
So I think we should do that too. That's a good lesson.
Yeah.
So the tip. So how do you eat? You eat from cook in the house, bring to the office.
Yeah, you cook from house and you come with it.
So you save a lot.
Saves.
It depends. Some they spend, some they don't.
Yeah.
It depends to why you are here.
That's a good one. Yeah.
Yeah, if you know the reason why you are here,
Whoa, can you say that? Okay, look at the camera and say that. Go.
if you know the reason why you are here, you will not spend a lot. Because most of Africans, they come here with the aim. They have a lot of things to do in their country.
That's good. Very good. Yeah.
That's how we do it.
How many years do you plan to stay here in Dubai?
Me?
Yeah,
3 years now.
3 years. No, but when do you want to come home for good? No target.
I'm about to go back now. I'm meaning like 1 year.
Okay.
1 year or 2 years to finish to get my target.
Oh.
And I go back, I open up my business.
Ang galing, oh my gosh, ang galing naman nila. Ang galing naman. You're so
Yeah, those are one of our aims. Why we come here. We just come here.
You come here for a reason.
We give ourselves like 3 years, 4 years. 4 years, 5 years. But for Filipinos, I hear them 10 years, 15 years.
So you know
And
very.
you wonder how they survive here.
So, how do you save? 50% save per
At
month.
least you can save 50%.
50%.
Wow,
Whoa.
good, yeah. Wow.
The rest of 50 for cost of living.
Yeah, that's right. You cannot change that.
Yeah, cost of living. Because some will have kids at home.
Yeah.
We have to buy. We have to do very many things. Yeah, that's how.
You're
we
so
do it.
good. I hope a lot of Filipinos see
4
this.
years, huh?
Because Filipinos spend a lot. Filipinos
That's
spend
the
a
only
lot.
thing they know from them.
Yeah, but
They are good
do,
in
do you
chopping
give them
money.
advice not to? Do you give them advice so they don't spend?
Actually, it depends to what their aims, why they are here.
So maybe they don't have a name.
something. And another thing, you cannot know someone who's culturally expenditure.
Yeah.
Yeah, you cannot know someone who's expenditure.
Okay, thank
Yeah,
you.
that's how it is.
Sorry, we're ordering. I'm sorry, we're
For the two
ordering.
drinks, what will you take?
By the way, no, nasa kotse kami. Si Pablo proud na siya sa 50%, yung parang normal lang. Normal lang.
Sa Pinoy, proud na proud na.
Proud na.
As a
Oh.
Filipino.
Oh, as a Filipino.
Very rarely, Filipino take 50%.
Ano feedback mo doon as a Filipino?
Sa Filipino, it's really inspiring testament from him. Na if he can do it, why not us, di ba?
Kasi-
Ayun. So ikaw, Matt, it all depends on yung decision mo, yung willingness mo na magbago ng lifestyle, and because kung may goal ka talaga, gaya ng sinabi niya, if you have a goal, you have to stick to it, and you have to make sure that you are going to fulfill it by adjusting your lifestyle.
Kasi, here's the thing, no? People want to invest and thinking that when they invest money, it will make them rich. But the money is in the saving, eh. Kasi if you save a lot, that will allow you to make more also later on. Eh. Save for you to have a position to invest in. And that's how it can be done. You do it over and over and over and over and over again. People say savers are losers. Hindi, savers are winners as long as yung intention mo for saving is for investing. Yun. What's your tip to save money here in Dubai?
To save money.
Yeah.
Well, as soon as I get the salary, I'm taking it home.
Everything?
Because if I don't take it home,
Everything?
I'm going to spend it here.
Spend everything?
Yes.
Whoa.
So I wouldn't want to spend it, so I'll just take it home direct.
When you say home to Nigeria or just here?
Of course, to Nigeria.
Whoa.
For example, me, now this is gonna be the 4th year.
Yeah.
I have like 6 acres of land.
Wow.
So I have to do very many things.
Perfect.
Wow.
So now when after that, I have to go back and I open up a business.
Wow.
Those acres of land, I planted there coffee. You know coffee?
Coffee, yeah,
I planted
wow.
there like 2 acres of coffee, 3
Yeah.
and 3 acres of banana.
Wow. Very
So now,
good example.
When I go back there, I can start
Yeah.
harvesting.
So
Then I
coming to
get-
Dubai is really good for you because you were able to buy those things.
Yeah.
That's
It has
really
helped me so much.
good example. Yeah.
Yeah, it has helped because I'm going to get even a capital. Right now I'm already building my own house.
Wow.
Wow.
In Africa is growing.
Yeah.
The economy in Africa, most of the countries in Africa are growing.
When?
Growing.
Yeah, they are
African
growing.
economy.
Yeah, they are growing.
Your house in Uganda, city, province.
Near the city.
You just how much 1 square meter feet? What do you use in
Plus we buy in
feet or meters? Feet. Yeah. How much per 1 square feet?
1 square feet.
Yeah.
In a dirham,
Yeah.
Dirham,
you can buy you can buy it around 8,000 dirham. 8,000 dirham or 10.
What do you get?
10,000.
That's how big? How big?
You can buy like
So 8,000 dirham is how big?
it's
Land.
around 100. No, not 100 feet.
Oh, the,
So when you have 6
100 by
acres.
100.
100 by 100.
100 by 100. It's very big. You can build a big house.
what is hotter? Uganda, Dubai?
Huh?
Hotter, hot climate, temperature.
climate?
Yeah. What's hotter?
It's medium. Dubai is very bad.
Humidity. Humidity.
Very bad. Everything in Dubai is very bad when it comes to weather.
Now it's winter in Africa, I think. It's winter, right?
It's not easy. We don't have
Last
winter.
July was winter in Kenya and in parts
Baka
of
malayo
Africa.
yung Kenya.
All of
Eh.
Africa.
Yeah.
Those are scenic in mountains. But mountains,
Because that is the
no
other side of
no people living there. It's only animals, wild animals. But for us, the weather is normal, January to December.
Oh, you're very inspiring. Huh? Not everyone's like this. Promise. Promise. Filipinos.
Spread the word,
Filipinos normally, nice clothes, no money.
They're buying lands.
Are you saying that he don't have nice clothes?
No, but
No,
Philippines.
we are having clothes,
But
but
he
we
has.
don't spend money in the brands.
Priorities are first.
So do you buy in Dubai Mall? No.
I don't buy in Dubai malls. I just go in Deila where there is lower prices of clothes. Yeah, that's where we go.
Karama. Yun lang yung alam ko. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, yun. So, anong comment mo doon? Gano'ng kalaki yung ano nyo, lupain nyo? 6 acres din ba or
Sa hectares kasi dun sa KD namin is right now around 7 hectares. 7 hectares. But I think around 70% meron na pong nakatanim ng dragon fruit.
okay. So talagang may plug tayo na dragon.
Tinanong mo.
Hindi. Malaki ba yung
Hello,
six-
partners.
Malaki ba,
Yan,
malaki ba,
sila, ano,
malaki ba yung
sila
6 hectares? Malaki ba yung 6 hectares? No? Ay, yung ano ba sa kanya? Acres?
Yeah, malaki na yung coach. Kasi I think cheaper pa yung, depende kasi sa lugar yan, pero mura pa yung siguro yung agri-land sa Uganda. Mura pa yung mga ano sa Africa. It's a good investment sa
Pero ang galing. So, may tanong mo, Janice. Since, yung salary mo dito, how much kaya? Guess mo.
Salary nila?
Oo.
Usually, nasa 3,000.
5 to 4,000.
Oh,
3 to 4. It's always below 5.
but yan galing niya.
Ang galing niya. Kaya
Oo.
nga.
4 years na siya, ibig sabihin baka mga senior ano na siya. Kasi
Oh,
iba
or
yung-
let's just like say maybe 7, 6, 6, 7,000.
Oh, pero malayo sa 20,000 mo eh, di ba? Oo, di ba?
Pero kaya may 6 acres siya. Pero galing
Kaya,
niya, magaling siya.
it's possible talaga. Kaya
pero-
sayang
It's not how much you earn.
Tsaka kung napasin mo yung mindset, ibang klase.
mindset.
Ibang klase yung mindset. Grabe. Tayo lang ba yung gano'n? Americans din yata. I think Americans din.
Americans is also...
Buti ka nakakapag-observe siya ng Filipinos.
Oo nga, oo.
Diba?
Oo.
As yung
Friend na lang pag-
customer niya pala.
Oo nga, iba. See, someone said, Froilan, he said your words are very inspiring.
See, but someone is already inspired by your words.
What's your tips for Filipinos who are not saving money? Go.
But the Filipinos don't saving money.
Yeah.
The only thing I have to tell them, they should know that if Dubai can stop tomorrow or any other day, they have to prepare for themselves. They have to set everything at their home. Their home is the best place.
How do you save money? What's your best tip for you personally? How do you?
It
Yeah.
depends on how.
Is it about how big you make? Is it about your income? No.
No, it depends how what responsibilities do I have, and where do I spend or where do I spend my money.
Okay.
That's the only thing that can help me to save money. Because even me when I'm getting money, I don't only say I'm not only looking at the money I'm getting here. I have to do other deals outside that can also involve me to get money, like dealing buying things and I send to Uganda, they buy it in a high place.
Oh.
And I get more clothes.
Wow.
That's how I do so much.
So you also try to earn extra also.
Yeah.
Lastly, why do Filipinos spend a lot? What's their issue?
Why do they spend a lot?
Yeah.
Maybe they don't want their home. But they're not proud of their country.
Okay.
But
Wow.
we are proud of our Africa.
Okay. Oh, thank you. How much of your income do you save per month?
Roughly 1,800 dirham.
Whoa. So how do you budget it? How do you know how much you need to save?
Actually, what I did is I partition what I have and I make sure no matter what, I will not trespass that line of expenditure so that it will help me to save that much.
And do you make a lot of money here? Not so much.
Yes. Actually, it's quite good here. Our company is one of the best companies so far. So I must say, what I earn is enough for me.
Okay, bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Final words for Filipinos not saving money. Go!
No. They have to save money. That's what I can tell them. And they do great things from their home than spending money here in Dubai.
Wow! Galing nila.
Galing
Ang
nito.
galing nila.
Lenny, so
But
very
I have a question. Is everyone in Uganda like this?
Because everyone in Uganda is coming here, they have to build a nice house. They have to buy food.
Guys, you know why? Rice makes us chubby. Yeah. Rice makes people chubby, fat.
They make up.
Yeah. But you're good looking, so it's okay. What you need to memorize is if you're not good looking, you cannot be fat. But you are good looking, my friend. Very good looking.
That means I am fat.
No. You can be either. You can be either.
pressure at all.
Oh, no pressure. No pressure. No pressure.